testing series for teamers and pen testers. In this training, we are using different hardwares which is useful to perform the Wi-Fi penetration testing. Okay, see, in your case these things are complete mandatory. Okay, if you want to buy alpha, then you can go with it. If you want to perform Wi-Fi pen testing using Wi-Fi pineapple, then you guys can go with it. Okay, it's totally depend upon you, but our aim is to teach you each and every method, okay, to hack Wi-Fi network, like by using different hardwares. Okay, so the student can be able to learn each and everything about Wi-Fi pen testing, like how to hack the Wi-Fi networks by using Wi-Fi pineapple, by using alpha, by using Raspberry Pi, by using Android device. Okay, so you can able to learn each and every technique. Okay, even you don't have the hardwares also, you can able to learn that. Okay, if you will get a complete idea how the things are working there. Okay, so this is our aim basically. Now just see here, let me show the introduction for these tools as well. Now just see, this is a Wi-Fi pineapple basically. Okay, by using Wi-Fi pineapple, within few clicks you guys can able to hack the Wi-Fi networks. You no need to type any large commands, any you no need to install any kind of Linux there. Simple, within few clicks you guys can able to perform Wi-Fi penetration testing there. Okay, see, there is an alpha adapter is there. By using alpha, you guys can able to perform the Wi-Fi penetration testing. Okay, you can able to perform the this evil twin attack, packet injection, each and everything, MITM attacks. Okay, now there is another one which is TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, if you want to learn, okay, if you are a beginner in the Wi-Fi penetration testing, then you guys can able to purchase that one. Okay, which is very cheap. You can also go with Panda, which we covered in the training as well. Okay, which is very cheap. Okay, like it's around $4 to $5. Now just take a look here. There is an alpha adapter is there, and also there is a double antenna alpha adapter is there. There is a 4 antennas alpha adapter is there. So we are using 3 alpha adapters in our training. Okay, why? The thing is why. Let me tell you in the simple way as well. Okay, see, it's totally depend upon the ranges. Okay, this guy is assume that for example purpose, it can able to scan for the 4 networks. Okay, now let me show you practically. Okay, don't worry. And here you guys can able to see there is a here this one is a node MCU. Basically it is useful to make the fake APs. Okay, yes, to capture the handshake, to capture to hack this Gmail accounts by creating a fake pages. Okay, like fake captive portal, something like that. Okay, now here there is our Raspberry Pi, which is very important for pen testers. Okay, like assume that there is a one guy who don't have the laptop, then he can use that one. Okay, to perform the Wi-Fi pen testing or to perform the hacking. Okay, to see, there is a in lot of cases you can't able to carry the whole laptop there. At that time we use that one. Okay, the Wi-Fi this one Raspberry Pi, this one is a Raspberry Pi. Okay, it is. Okay, see, by using this you guys can able to perform whole penetration testing. Okay, like you can boot the Linux in it, just perform each and every attack. Okay, it is very cool gadget. And there is a screen, you can also use the screen as well. Okay, and also I just covered how to set up SSH and VNC in it. Okay, so you guys can able to connect with this Raspberry Pi by using your Android device. Okay, like wireless. Now here is our Android device. Okay, by using this, how you guys can able to perform the Wi-Fi penetration testing. Okay, it's not like this methods like by using any app or something. We are using entire net hunter here. Okay, like we are flashing our net hunter in our this Android device, then we will perform our Wi-Fi penetration testing. Now let me show you why we are using these 3 adapters here. Okay, in a simple way you will get it why we are using this one. Okay, why you want to use this one. Okay, see, let me tell you again, if in the real world it's totally depend upon you. It's complete mandatory in your case. Okay, you can use a single adapter here, you can use this one. It's totally depend upon you. Again I am saying our aim is to show you how the things are working. Okay, that's it. Now just let me show you some demo here. Okay, just wait. See, you can also perform this Wi-Fi penetration testing by using Android device without any this one adapters. Okay, if you are using this one, right now I'm using OnePlus 6. Okay, now for me it's no need to perform no need to attach any this one adapter here, but let me tell you, let me attach this one. Okay, for demo purpose let me use this alpha adapter. Okay, just wait. Just see, I just connected my this one. Hope you can able to see this. I just connected my, I don't know why it's showing some dot. Just wait. Okay, now I just connected my alpha adapter. Okay, now let me start the attack. For this demo purpose let me use one simple script. Okay, just let me type enter here. Here you guys can able to see it's detected this one. The light has been blinked. Now just see, it's scanning this Wi-Fi networks. Okay, it's capturing around 6 networks. Okay, just see there the number is 6 here. Okay, here it is 6 networks. Now just see, let me attach this adapter. Okay, this one which is very large in size. Okay, you guys can able to see here it's having the 4 antennas. Now let me attach this one. Let me disconnect this one. Just wait. Okay, let me disconnect this one. Don't worry, in training we just covered how to install the drivers, how to fix the issues. Okay, each and everything, so don't worry. Now it's having 8. Okay, with this alpha adapter. Just wait. Okay, I'm getting 8 networks right now. See, right now we are using this one. Okay, the 4 antennas one. Okay, started. Now right now in the by using this alpha adapter we can able to capture by using this one we can able to capture 8 networks, right? Okay, now by using this let me see how many networks I can able to capture. Okay, I can able to see, sorry, just wait. So here, by using this adapter, I can able to capture 10 networks, okay? But let me tell you one thing, guys. It's having some socket problem, I think, because it's having some loose connection, okay? So that's why it can't able to scan a huge, okay, due to, I just moved this one, okay? So that's why maybe it can't able to capture this one. So that's why it's turned off, okay? No problem, okay? The aim is to show you the difference, okay? That's it. By using this one, I can able to capture the 8 networks, okay? But by using this one, it's I can able to capture 10 networks, okay? So the thing is nothing but it's all about ranges, okay? So that's why we are using this antennas. Again, I am saying in your case this is a complete mandatory, okay? You can use this one, you can also you can purchase this one or this one. It's totally depend upon you, okay? One main important thing is this one, okay? So the here is there is another one. TP-Link Wi-Fi adapter is there, right? Now assume that if you, again I am saying, if you are a beginner, then go with it, okay? If you are not a beginner or if you want to learn more about Wi-Fi penetration testing, then I'm gonna suggest you go with this one, okay? Alpha adapter, okay? Or if you want to go with advanced one, then go with Wi-Fi pineapple, okay? First, according to me, learn this stuff, okay? Then go with it. Right, thank you, have a nice day. Just try to watch the whole training, then you will get each and everything, okay? You will learn something, new things, okay? Some new things, okay? Don't ignore any videos, don't try to skip any videos, just try to watch each and everything in order, okay?